Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and this is a remake of one of my videos. So face swap using Snapseed, Google's application to photo manipulation. It's really good. So if you don't know Snapseed, if you're not using it, you have been living under a rock. Okay, so I have a lot of likes on that video, but I also have dislikes because people don't know where I'm touching. So in this video I enabled gestures, so whenever I touch my screen it will show a blank, as you can see on the middle, on the right, my finger touching the screen. So in order to face swap, you need to select two heads on the same position. Okay, so for this example I will use again Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. So you select the picture and then you go for double exposure and you select the second picture with the head on more or less the same position, and you will adjust on top of the other one, moving with two fingers. You see 2 points on the screen. You can zoom in, zoom out, and rotate left, rotate right until you think it's good. Okay, and then you will click the drop on the bottom. Okay, and you will move to the right, and then on the top you will click view edits. Okay, and select the brush, and now we can reveal the double exposure. So one arrow will reveal the other. If you select the other, will erase again. Okay, so I'm now touching where I want to reveal the second picture. Okay, Cristiano Ronaldo face, and I will erase with detail where I want the second exposure to appear. Okay, so as you can see I'm erasing with detail. So if I make a mistake and I want to go back, I just need to go to the other arrow on the middle of the screen in the bottom, and I will replace again the original picture. Okay, during the video it will happen. I will use that. Also, you see the eye on the right. If you touch it, it will mark red all the parts of the picture that you have already touched with your finger. Okay, so this is really easy. You see, so I enable the eye just to see all the places I touch with my finger. Okay, so if I like the result, I can save, or I can go back and adjust the size of the head. Okay, so if I go here again, I go again to the drop, and I will move the line to be able to see below, and I can make adjustments. Okay, and then I just need to save, and I have the final picture. That's it, really easy. So let's do one or two more, okay, because it's really easy. Okay, let's select a different picture, because you see those on the screen right now on the left and on the right, it was made with Snapseed. So you can use this for a lot of stuff. Face, you can swap faces, but you can also put somebody inside a smartphone screen, okay, using double exposure. Okay, select the first picture and then select the second one. You just need to adjust. You put, making with two fingers, you can zoom in, zoom out, and twist or rotate. Where do you want to place? And then click the drop, move right to give 100% exposure. Go top, click on the arrow and click view edits. Click again on the arrow and click the brush. Okay, let's start to erase now, and it will reveal the image below. Don't forget, if you are learning something from this video, to leave a thumbs up, and if you have questions, leave your comments below and I will try to reply everybody. You see, you can also erase if you select the arrow on the left on the double exposure, and also you can correct if you went more than desired on the other double exposure reveal. And that's it. We have a complete face swap. This is how easy it is. So, and that's it, it's exported. Okay, so let's do it again. So we already have the final result on my smartphone gallery. You see, this is the final result. Okay, let's do, and this was some training I did before the video. Okay, Snapseed, open, select a picture, tools, double exposure. Now select the second picture. Remember, if you are swapping faces, to select a picture that will, if that the head is looking the same way more or less. And now we adjust. Zooming in, zooming out, and rotating for the right. And this is the exposure. You see it. And now you click the drop, move to the right, go to the top, click on the arrow, view edits, click on the blue arrow and the brush again, and now we are able to start deleting and mixing the two images. Okay, remember to, so on the right it will reveal 100% what's below, if you put 100% on the left, it will erase. Okay, it will put back the original. So you will see that on the thumbnail of this video there is a smartphone with Messi in it, and I also did it with the Snapseed on my smartphone. So I just went online, selected the smartphone and created a dual exposure here with the Lionel Messi, and then just start to erase the screen, and Messi will show on the screen really easy. Okay, so if you need to make adjustments, you can always go back. You just need to click the drop, the water drop, and then move the line to the left to be able to see dual exposure. You make your adjustments, put the exposure again 100%, and go view edits, and then you will check if everything is okay. You will make your adjustments, blah blah blah. And you see on the neck we can, and around the head we can fix everything. You just need to erase and go back to the original picture. That's how you correct if you do something wrong. You go and you go back to the original, which is below. So here we see double here. So, but this is just an example, okay? So once you understand how it works, you will be it will be really easy to create double exposure mix photos. And remember, you can always use the eye to see the parts you touched for the correction. But I believe right now you will be able to create double exposures really easy. And the result, depending on the photos you select, it will work really nice. Save. Okay, let's do one more. It's also again, it's important when doing face swap to select pictures with the head on the same position or more or less the same, otherwise the result will not be so good as expected. Okay, so this one, it will be more difficult because the neck, but you can see already the final result on the screen, because it's on the left of this video. That's the final result. Ta-da! Move right, go up, click view edit, brush. Now zoom in, start deleting, and you see that the head is not in the good position. I will have to move it a little bit. Okay, you see it's not good, so I will need to go back and move the head a little bit to the right. So let's do that. Okay, looking better. And you see this is always the same. Okay, so click the brush, view edit, and if you select the eye, you will see all the places you touch with your finger, and that's it. You can correct the neck and then go bam, 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 and you can zoom in to go in more detail. Here, so you saw I deleted more than I needed, so I will go back and reconstruct the neck, and here close to the face, and that's it. That's good. It's not perfect, but this is just for you to see if you make a mistake and you need to make adjustments. It's really easy. Okay, and now let's go for the one on the right of my screen. So let's put Messi on with yellow shirt. So I will select Cristiano to start, and tools, double exposure, select the second picture to be mixed. Okay, so now zoom in, zoom out, and rotate until I have the perfect position for the head. Okay, adjust exposure, clicking the drop, move it right, go on the top, click and view edits, and brush, and now double exposure, put 100 and start erasing. Click the eye to see where are the parts you already touched and the ones you did not touch. Okay, you see I went out of the ad, so we lost the pink, so we will have to correct that. So go down, double exposure 0, and then go around the ad and it will reveal the image below, and that's it. That's how you double exposure with Snapseed. So I hope this video was useful, that you learned something today, and if it was, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. That will make YouTube to recommend this video to more people. So thank you, and I'll catch you on another video. Bye bye.